Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. SSDAP Public School Khuti welcomes you in E-class. Let's begin an online session of English. Myself Anupma Kumari, your teacher. Our today's topic is the sailing trip. This chapter is taken from your English reader book, lesson 7. This lesson is based on AI sound words. So, today we are going to learn AI sound words. Here are some AI sound words. Let's read it. WAIT, wait. STRAIGHT, straight. PLAIN, play. CHAIN, chain. STAIN, stain. SAINT, scent. PAINT, paint. FAINT, faint. RAIN, rain. GRAIN, grain. BRAIN, brain. TRAIN, train. TAILOR, tailor. SAILOR, sailor. RAIL, rail. MAIL, mail. NAIL, nail. PAIL, pale. SAIL, sail. TAIL, tail. SNAIL, snail. Children, did you notice? All these AI words are rhyming words. Like wait, straight, plain, chain, stain, scent, paint, faint, rain, grain, brain, drain, train, rail, mail, nail, pale, tailor, sailor. All these are rhyming words. Now you have to read and write these words in your notebook. Now start the lesson. There are some new words like SOUND, sound. Sound means something that you hear. The next word is ticket. TICKET, ticket. A piece of paper or card that shows you have paid for a journey. The next word is drawn. DROWN, drawn. Drawn means to die from being underwater for too long. The next word is children. It's plural of child. Then friend. FRIEND, friend. A person whom you like a lot is your friend. Now the next word is safe. SAFE, safe. Safe means free from danger. And the next word is reach. Reach, REACH, reach. Reach means to arrive at a place. Now children, you have to write these new words 5 times in your notebook. And also learn the spelling of these words. Now starts the story. Look at this picture. In this picture, that girl is Kamna and that boy is Avi. Who are they? Avi and Kamna. They are siblings. They are going on a trip to Goa. Where are they going? Where are Avi and Kamna going? Avi and Kamna are going on a trip to Goa. Avi wants to go by ship, but Kamna wants to go by train because she likes the sound of the train when it moves on a rail track. Do you know how it moves on a rail track? It sounds like chuk 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 chuk. I think you all like this sound. Their father comes into the room and says that children, we are going to Goa on Friday. He has tickets in his hand. Avi asks, how are we going, Papa? Then his father says, we are going by ship. But his father has taken the return journey ticket of train. Do you know why? Because Kamna likes the train. She likes the train journey. Children, how are they going? They are going by ship. Yes, they are going by ship. Both are very happy. On Friday, all of them get into the ship. The ship starts sailing in the water. It takes 2 days to reach Goa. Avi and Kamna have a good time in the ship. They are enjoying, they are playing, and they love to sail on the ship. They find a snail on the ship. They put it in a pail. Pail means bucket. They play with it. They play with the snail. Next day it rains. Avi and Kamna hears someone calling, help me, help me. They run to see. A small boy is drowning in the water. Who is drowning in the water? A small boy is drowning in the water. Avi picks up a chain and throws it to the boy. The boy holds the chain. Avi and Kamna pull him up and save the boy. Now the boy is safe. Who saved the boy? Yes, Avi and Kamna saved the boy. There is a blood stain on his head. The 3 children become friends. Avi and Kamna let the boy play with the snail in the pail. Their father appreciates them for their courageous work and says, you are good children. Children, did you like this story, the sailing trip? I hope you enjoyed it. Children, you have to read this story 2 times, and while you are reading this story, you have to underline AI sound words. Now children, I am going to give you some assignments. Look at the pictures and write the name under each. So, in this picture, the first one is sail, S-A-I-L, sail. The next one is pail, P-A-I-L, pail. And the third one is C-H-A-I-N, chain. And the next is snail, S-N-A-I-L, snail. And the last one is T-R-A-I-N, train. All the words are AI sound words. The next question is, answer the following questions. Children, do it in your English notebook. Let's see the first question. Where are Avi and Kamna going? Where are Avi and Kamna going? Avi and Kamna are going on a trip to Goa. Avi and Kamna are going on a trip to Goa. The next question is, how are they going? They are going by ship. They are going by ship. The next one is, who is drowning? A small boy is drowning. Who is drowning? A small boy is drowning. Who saved the boy? Avi and Kamna saved the boy. Avi and Kamna saved the boy. Children, write these question answers in your English notebook. The next question is, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using suitable words from the story. The first one is, Avi wants to dash on a ship. Avi wants to sail on a ship. The next one, Kamna likes the sound of the dash. Kamna likes the sound of the train. Next question is, Avi and Kamna put the dash in a pail. The answer is snail. Avi and Kamna put the snail in a pail. Next one, Avi throws a dash to the boy. The answer is chain. Avi throws a chain to the boy. The boy had a blood dash on his head. The answer is stain. The boy had a blood stain on his head. In this question number 4, you have to write the opposites. You have to write the opposites of the given words. The opposite of find is lose. L-O-S-E, lose. The opposite of go is come. C-O-M-E, come. And the opposite of start is stop. S-T-O-P, stop. The opposite of throw is catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. And the opposite of good is bad. B-A-D, bad. The opposite of pull is push. P-U-S-H, push.